A 52-year-old man was shot dead while his wife sustained critical injuries after unidentified assailants attacked them inside their residence at Imphal East District's Wangkhem, Mamang, Leikai. The incident took place at around 3 a.m. this morning. The deceased victim has been identified as Wangkhem, son of late Iboton, and the injured wife is Wangkhem, age 50. According to sources, two attackers barged into their house and entered towards the room of the victim's son and daughter. And when Wangkhem tried to intervene, the two attackers shot him while his wife, Wangkhem, was attacked with sharp-edged object. The victim, Wangkhem, reportedly died on the spot while his wife, Kainatombi, was rushed to Sija Hospital, where she is undergoing treatment in critical condition. The body of the deceased has been sent to Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Jenim mortuary, for a post-mortem examination. Police said the motive behind the attack is yet to be established. A case has been registered and further investigation is underway to identify and trace the assailants. Meanwhile, a JAC has been constituted in connection with the murder. Speaking on the sideline, convener of the JAC, Pijam Brojen, condemned the incident and demanded arrest of the culprits by July 22nd, while also asserting that family members will not claim the body until justice is delivered. Further, a JAC also warned to take out agitations until culprits are arrested.
Hokiba Todokse Yamuake, Pasena, the Inusi, Tumna Halagi Habigi, Planamulan Lakuna, Quina, Junay, Wangkhem, Hiriba Misasi, Yam Samba, Mini, Masuraga, Nomaga, Yum Sabu, Popagi Tabak, Saraga, Chamtamna, Labor Missangi, and our woman cannot generate men and all the Queen of Silva, Tahiba Labor Minati, and a super Misasi, Yam Tamtio Monga, Hat Pese, Masidi of terrorism. Aduna Yaragadi, Nihat Asiga, Marili Nava, Kogi Kalpitching Hyptare, Nihat Palsingo, Laiba, July Tang, Kunikogi Manung Hovoda, Marili Nava, Kogi Authority Namadu, Utopio, Natragadia Koi, Asiva Changsi Koi Lauro.